This one's gonna sting a little. When are you going to start doing that one thing that you've been wanting to do forever, but you haven't due to your circumstances? This applies to the new business you say you want to open, the fitness level you say you want to be in, the vacation you say you want, the invention you've been talking about, the book you say you want to write, and all the other things you say you want to do. Get a recorder so you can record all your excuses and play it back so you can listen to how you sound. Here are some of them.
It's not easy.
Well, if it was easy, everyone would be doing it, and if everybody does it, who's the hero?
I don't have the time.
How about recording 3 of the television shows you watch and see if you have the time then?
I'm tired.
Because everyone else that succeeds is never tired. They work less than you do, they have less kids than you do, and a lot less problems too.
It's too late, and I'm too old.
Might as well draft your will then.
I got kids.
So you're saying your kids are the reason for you to fail. If not for your kids, for who? Your kids should be your motivation to move forward, not the reason to stop.
I'm still thinking about it.
Because indecision will get you there, right?
I don't have the money.
Thank goodness for cable television, beer, cigarettes, and that $5 coffee you drink every day.
If I do something, I'd rather do it full force or not at all.
Ah, so you'd rather have no success than a little bit of a time. Gotcha.
I want it, but I don't think it will work for me.
I'm afraid to fail.
On and on and on. And the best one?
You don't understand.
Maybe they don't. But if they did, are you going to accomplish then? If they understand, will you do it? Successful people understand a lot more than you think because they went through all of that and more. The only difference is that a successful person is willing to overcome all obstacles no matter what. These are some of the many excuses people use to make up a story to sound as if it's okay to delay or never accomplish goals. Do you use these excuses? I bet you do sometimes. Excuses not only make you sound like you're nagging about life, it also brings your self-confidence level down, and it is one, if not the biggest annoying quality of a person. Excuses will always stop you from moving forward, even when I'm sure you realize you have full control of overcoming every single one of them. Because guess what? You are your problem, but you are also your solution. Instead of looking for reasons why you can't succeed, look for the hows to accomplish your goals. Add the following questions after this sentence. If you want it bad enough, how can it be easier for you to do it? How can you make the time? How can you do it even when you're tired? How can you succeed even when you think it's too late or you think you're too old? What can you do for it to work for you? If you want it bad enough, what has to be done for you not to fail? If not full force, how much time can you invest in order to see progress? What are your options? What must you do to get the money or make more of it? The solution to all your accomplishments lie on the reality of what you must do in addition to what you're currently doing, regardless of how uncomfortable it feels. And what things must you sacrifice regardless of your circumstances in order to see what you want come to life. It can all start happening right now with one single question. How bad do you want it?